What's up guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM3. So let's get started. Version, just because it matches with my iPhone. Alright, so here we have them. See if you guys can take a closer look. So let's get rid of the case. This is a pretty big case actually. The earbuds themselves. What else do we got? Now it tells us, oh, there's an app that we have to download for these headphones. And then we have some more earbud tips, cable, and manual. So let's push this out. So here they are, the Sony WF-1000XM3s. Yeah, horrible naming. But let's see how they go in the box. So pretty much that's how they're going to look in the case. Now, let's see how they look. Whoa. Whoa. So they clearly fall out. How do I look with these? Elizabeth, how do I look?
You look good.
Huh?
I think they look good.
They look good? They look better than the Bose ones on me? Alright, cool. Now let's... Huh?
A teeny bit.
Alright, now let's connect them to... I already pre-downloaded the app. But let's go over some of the features that these headphones have. So these are noise canceling headphones. They come with, oh wow, so it comes USB type C, it's hands-free calling, 10-minute charge play up to 90 minutes, so they have supercharge. You have 6 hours with noise cancellation, plus 18 hours with the case. And without noise cancellation, you have 8 hours and 24 hours with the case. So that's pretty good. And it's better than, if I'm not wrong, I believe they're better than the Apple AirPods in this department. Yep, and they come in with built-in Google Assistant. So, alright guys, so I'm going to set them up with the app right now on my phone. So yeah, just give me a few. Alright guys, so now I'm in the app and I'm all the features that these headphones bring. So right now I'm on the adaptive sound control. It says the app detects your actions and automatically adjusts to how to take in ambient sounds. Through this, achieves optimal music experience to suit the scene you are listening to music in. Yeah, I'll use the function. So now I'm gonna play a song just with the default settings that it comes with. Let's see what Split Drake. Gonna go with that. They're good. Well, as of right now, of course, I'm going to be taking these through the daily paces of the day, you know, using them in the gym, using them for my commute to work, so on and so forth. But yeah, this is pretty much the unboxing, guys. Yeah, I'm going to tell you guys, you know, if you should buy these, or if you should buy these instead, which we will be doing a review on these as well. Fortunately, we couldn't do the unboxing of this because just, you know, with the time management, it just wasn't going to happen. But yeah, other than that, I think, yeah, just stay tuned and subscribe. Alright guys, so peace.